Coca-Cola Bite. Coke thinks it knows what pixels taste like. Coke's newest flavor is coming soon. Here's what it tastes like and where you'll be able to buy it. It's called Bite.
Yes.
If you enjoyed,
zero sugar.
If you enjoyed the Starlight Space flavored Coke, well, this is like futuristic Coke. Coke's trying to get back in your fridge. You'll want to hear this news. Coca-Cola on Monday announced another new flavor that it's releasing this spring. It's called Coca-Cola Zero Sugar Bite. And the giant soda company says it tastes like pixels. Well, I don't want to taste pixels.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound delicious at all. The company says its first Coca-Cola flavor born in the metaverse and that it's being hidden in plain sight. An early look at the beverage appeared in a new island created in Fortnite. Of course! Coca-Cola said it will release more limited edition beverages later this year, but the company expects Bite to be the drop of the season. Here's what you'll need to know. What I find especially exciting about this co-creation is the intentional air of mystery in defining the taste of a pixel. We know that any new Coca-Cola creation's expression will provoke debate and curiosity, which we welcome. They're saying talk about it. I don't care if you hate it. Talk about it. Let people know that it exists. I'm not a huge fan of the zero sugar flavors in general, like the fake sugary flavor. I'm like, if I'm drinking one of these things, just hit me with the real deal. If I'm going to do it, if I'm going to commit. I'm actually more curious about the small kind of almost dessert sizes. Yeah. It's like, I'm going to have this little sugar thing. I don't need 355 mils type of thing. Those little shot sizes. That's interesting to me. And I think they are selling more of those. But since they are going to attempt to define the flavor of a pixel, if you had to guess what flavor characteristics would be in a pixel, where does your mind go?
I would imagine it'd be quite metallic-y.
Yeah, exactly. Like terrible.
But that's probably not what they want. Probably just like a cotton candy or something for the kids.
Cream soda?
Yeah.
Type of flavor? Yeah. That's what pixels taste like?
But mixed with Coke.
It's all very interesting. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe we'll try it on the air. Apparently, it's going to be available for purchase on Coke's website on May 2nd, and it'll also be available in super limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis. Well, they're trying to get in on the drop culture, Will. You know the drop culture?
Yes.
It's like, oh, you can barely get it. Don't you want it? You can't get it. Don't you want it? And you're like, are you sure I can't get it? Because if I can get it, I don't want it. And then they're like, no, you can't get it. And then you're like, I want it.
Yeah, I want to post it on Twitter.
Yeah. Well, that's the future we all have to look forward to. The things that you want that you can't have, that you want more than the things that you can.
Yeah.